air-fuel mixture ratio self-learning control, the actual mixture ratio can be brought closely to the theoretical mixture ratio based on the mixture ratio feedback signal from the heated oxygen sensor 1. The engine control module calculates the necessary compensation to correct the offset between the actual and the theoretical ratio. In case the amount of compensation value is extremely large, means the actual mixture ratio is too low, the ECM judges the condition as the fuel injection system modifications and light up the modifications indicator light to trip dedication logic. So when this code detected a fuel injection system does not operate properly and the amount of the mixture ratio compensation is too small. The possible symptoms P0171 in Ford excuses a fuel consumption, storage trouble code and illuminated warning light, rug or irritated idling, poor gas mileage, misfiring on or more cylinders. The engines may hesitate or stumble upon acceleration. So lots of people ask, can I repair this code P0171 in myself? So while diagnosing and repairing this code should not presets the average die mechanic with undue difficulties, it should note that there are other possible cases of this code's based vacuum leaks and defective MAF sensor. So the possible cases is this is 8 possible cases. The number 1 is the antique air leaks. The second thing is the faulty front heated oxygen sensor. The third one is the ignition misfiring. The fourth one is the faulty fuel injectors. Fifth one is the exhaust gas leaks. The sixth one is the incorrect fuel pressure. Seventh one is the faulty miss air flue sensor. The last one is the incorrect positive crankcase ventilation hose connection. So the P0171 possible solution, the first thing is to clean the air mass flow sensor. When installing it, make sure it is completely dry, otherwise it could be damaged. The second thing is to check all the vacuum hoses and the character positive ventilation value. The third one is to make sure that the fuel pressure is within the corresponding levels and that the filter does not have any element that may be contaminating it. So if you're looking for some diagnosis tool, this tool is the one of the best tool I recommend you. This tool, you can buy this tool from Amazon, the link in the description, you can check it out. This is the global OBD2 scan tool. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more OBD trouble codes videos, and you can visit our website carsfound.com to see more helpful articles.